Thanks a lot for having us. I would like you to have a quick look around. How many of you wear glasses today? And I would like to divide this number by 3, and then you know how many of you should wear a hearing aid. Because that's the only cure we have so far to hear as good as possible if you have multi-severe sort of hearing loss. Overall, we have like 10% of the world population with hearing loss. Only 1 out of 40 of those, 650 million, have any sort of treatment. WHO calls this an epidemic because there's no medication. The only solution we have is very expensive hearing aids, and it's a totally underserved market. There are many diseases following hearing loss, untreated hearing loss, that no one is aware of. There's a high significance from hearing loss to dementia, depression, social isolation, and so on. Now, there are 3 main reasons why nobody wears hearing aids at the moment. Number 1, accessibility. It's difficult to find out if you need one. Normally you push it 7 to 10 years apart from you because you don't want to deal with it. Then it's super expensive. I mean, 1,800 euros in Germany on average per ear. Health insurance pays some, but not all. And third, it's not very sexy to have one. And this is why nobody wants to be somehow associated with that topic. Now, any one of those in the room, and 70% worldwide, have access to a smartphone. And this is how we start with our technology and our solution. Step 1 is a hearing test. It takes 2 minutes, is for free, super accurate. We have 260,000 downloads at the moment, validation via Charité Clinic, and we can conquer the 3 major blockers: accessibility, affordability, and attractiveness, because it's a smartphone app. You can do it at home whenever you like. You don't even have to tell your family about it. That's only step 1. We have launched 2 weeks ago we call it music app because music is very far away from hearing loss, disability, all of that. To process any sound given, may it be music or also live sounds, so the sounds happening now around you, which you process in an IP-secured way that it sounds richer, fuller, and louder, although it's not louder. It's just perceived as being louder. So you can listen less loud to the same sounds, but hear it way better. And step 3 will be to integrate the hearing test functionality into the sound processing to have a personalized hearing based on your very individual hearing capabilities. And this will be the future.